Hi there, my name is Chelsea Gibson with Wildrose Wellness, here for your daily video on our YouTube, our Instagram, and our Facebook. So today I wanted to talk to you guys since I'm getting so many questions about it. How do you make working out fun? Now, I have a younger brother who owns Gibsons Landing Athletics, who is a strength and conditioning coach, but also a professional athlete. And he has taught me so much about the love of fitness. And I'm one of those people, I love to work out, but there's a caveat to that. I love to work out when my body's in the mood for it and in different styles of movement that my body appreciates. Now, it changes day to day. There are moments in my life where the way my body wants to move is to dance around the kitchen listening to Taylor Swift. And there's other moments of my day where my body actually wants to lift weights. My body loves and craves sometimes to lift weights, and I can feel it. I can feel it because when I think about doing it, I just get so excited and amped up and I'm like, yeah, let's go downstairs. And if you have a home gym, then allowing yourself that time, that space, there's lots of free programs going on the internet right now where you can allow yourself to go and actually just give yourself that little bit of movement. Now, when you're in the movement, so let's say that you're actually doing a little online class or you're doing an online program, how do you make it fun? A lot of it comes down to your mentality. There is this huge thing all over the world where working out is hard. It's like, oh, I can't believe I have to work out. And so the whole dialogue around fitness and working out, it's like it's a drag instead of, wow, I'm so excited that I get to work out. I have so much gratitude that my body has the ability to move and to work out. And I'm so grateful that I actually have the opportunity in my life now to do it. So changing your perspective on fitness. So first of all, you want to get clear, what is your perspective on fitness? Is it fun? And if it isn't, what do you like to do that you can make fun? And how do you start to change your thoughts where you're actually allowing yourselves to enjoy things that maybe you didn't think that you do, but you actually might. And so make a list of your 5 favorite ways to move your body. It could be hiking, it could be skipping, it could be dancing, it could be yoga, it could be belly dancing, it could be a CrossFit-like movement, it could be lifting, it could be more of the bodybuilding style. There are so many ways to move your body. And right now, all over the world on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, there are so many ways to move your body, and people are offering free classes all over the world. So now is your chance to try out a whole bunch of different styles. What you first got to do is make it all about changing your thoughts, your perspective, and your beliefs about working out. So what if fitness could be fun? Actually having gratitude for your body for moving, having gratitude that we had this opportunity to work out, that we have it in our schedules. And if you've got kids, make it fun for them to include them in the movement. If they'd like to do some yoga with you, if they'd like to jump up and down with you, actually doing movements that kids do actually might invite you to like working out again. Put on some kids fitness stuff where it allows them to jump around and do different movements that are fun. Maybe a dance, maybe you need a family dance party. These are the ways that you can start to make fitness fun. Once you get in the hang of it, you're gonna get into a groove where fitness becomes almost second nature, where you almost have to do it all the time. All right, so thank you guys so much for joining. You can go to Gibson's Landing Athletics. My brother's got free videos on there, and it allows you just to give yourself a shot at enjoying fitness. What if now is the perfect time? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye for now.